China, Beijing. We are in the heart of the world's most rapidly growing economy, only here, in a center, where technologies and spirit combines and meet each other, only in a space where out-of-box ideas can be born. Fulldome.pro is here as a new star of Asia. In August 2020, China is for the first time hosting the General Assembly of the International Astronomical Union in Beijing. This gathering of astronomers from around the world to discuss and debate the most recent discoveries about the universe is an important part of the vitality of science. Astrophysics remains one of the most exciting areas of human endeavor, and the venue of the Beijing General Assembly will be equally impressive. The new China Conventional Building is hosted in a beautiful Olympic Park and spacious building that's full of sightseeing for visitors and exhibitors. Chinese contribution to astronomy, its understanding of cosmos, from ancient to modern time is significant. Here, visitors of General Assembly have chance to take part in different interesting activities and hear about new projects, new institutes, to hear and report a lot of different interesting researchers from every field of astronomy. Schedule is really exciting, and it's so interesting that Fulton Pro presents here its product for a new third millennium.
We're in the heart of Beijing in IAU International Astronomical Assembly. Here we're presenting Fulldome.pro system, and almost all the members are excited about that system. We have studio dome, we have new vacuum planetarium dome, and inflatable dome.
I've seen Fulldome production, and I'm very impressed because of your cutting-edge technology, especially in terms of projection system and dome system. I think it's a very interesting product. That would be great.
It's not only digital cinema, full dome cinema. It's not only Astro simulator. It's the whole concept, whole new concept to present your ideas.
I'm impressed by this. The quality, the kinds of experience that you can have, even with all of this ambient lighting. Astronomers hate lights. And so if you can accomplish this, even in this normal lighting, that's really impressive. Going into the domes where you have more lighting control, I like the wraparound design. I like the portability. I like the craters on the outside. The design, the kid in me enjoys that style. So I'm intrigued to find out more.
Among all markets in the world, Asia is a phenomenon. Here everything is in blossom: nature, economy, and business.
I'm very fortunate to be a part of this whole event, because I'm also a representative for Fulldome.pro in China, and this is a very exciting moment for us to be here, because we're the largest exhibitor in the IAU, which is the most famous International Astronomical Union conference event. So we have these 3 domes present in the conference, and we basically create this dome village for China, and nobody even saw this before, and it's really like wonderful. and people get so excited and to see this technology and to see this high-tech, stuff. So I think we're really doing good, and we were gradually invent the China market. And in the future we're gonna have more domes here, I hope, and we will definitely.
See, in Full Dome, you can show things that people normally can't see in the world. You can show macro, you can show micro, you can show universes, you can show bacteria and viruses. So Full Dome is a great tool to show people your ideas, especially those ideas that people can't possibly imagine. Basically, we can say with the Fulldome.pro system, you can show things that beyond people's imagination.
Behind my shoulders, you can see 3 different technologies, 3 different solutions, 3 different domes. Studio dome, circularium, inflatable dome. Any solution for any need, from affordable to top tier, vacuum, geodesic, inflatable. Fulton Pro always present the best.
The system is quite complicated from one side and simple from another. Yes, it's very sophisticated audiovisual equipment, and it's from one side it's really hard to understand how it works. But with Fulton Pro, we made a really simple solution how to control that and how to assemble that. So actually, you shouldn't care about how complicated it is. You shouldn't only think about how simple you will control it. And here we have a 8 projector studio dome with the highest resolution available for such kind of small domes. It's just a 5-meter dome, and you only we have here 3.2K. That's more than 10 megapixels of the resolution, and it just works with an automatic system of calibration and iPad control that is simply can be used with anyone can use it, from the school teacher to university professor. So, and this is a general idea to put the control instrument in the hands of the presenter. So, the person who controls, it's the same person. Instead of some kind of collaboration between the presenter, the qualified person, and the technician who are unqualified in planetarium issues or astronomy issues or other things. So we just remove this border between 2 persons. So everybody knows it's pretty hard to operate with the computers. So here's quite a simple explanation about how this works. This works simple.
Visualization is the future, but full dome visualization is the most actual future. And with Full Dome Pro system, it's possible. You can use our Event Horizon system, and you can show not only sky, you can show any 3D environment. It's built on Unreal game engine, so practically speaking, we can also show any kind of games. But just imagine, beside games, which is entertainment, you can load inside our software your digital environment, and you can travel around cities, worlds. You can go under ocean, you can go as far as sky, you can travel all over Earth. It gives an amazing opportunity for people within several minutes to experience different worlds.
Software is one of the most amazing parts of the whole solution here, because we believe this software is one of the most advanced software existed here, and we use the latest graphics processing technology that is available on the market from NVIDIA. And this allows us to make the software capable to run on just one single machine, one small single machine. And that first saves a lot of money on the servers. That solves a lot of problems with video channel syncing, and this also saves a lot of energy, because energy is quite expensive now. So it all saves money, and this advanced software allows us to make the whole solution much more cheaper as it can be. So, but this is only just one feature, right? The other feature is that all software runs completely in real time. So it's designed for a portable usage. So you just come somewhere, calibrate, operate. You don't have a time to prepare content for that. So that's why the software capable to play, slice, blend, calibrate everything in real time. You don't need to prepare content for each kind of calibration or each kind of installation. You just upload it one time and it will work forever.
The deviation from the way of history first begins with mind experiments, creativity, inspiration, and breakthroughs. In their time, Newton, Galileo, Einstein, and other discoverers have wished to look at the world from a different angle. The results are known and can be seen by everybody nowadays. Fulldome.pro presents its unique products. The company also began its path with Investigate that surely will improve our world. Its philosophy is to create a happy future today. I'm sure that Fulldome.pro will help you to begin your blissful story in science, business, and life. Fulldome.pro gives you the pleasure to be first.